Mental health is an important topic that affects us all. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 4 people will be affected by a mental health issue at some point in their lives. It is a topic that is often not talked about, but it is crucial to understand the importance of mental health and how it affects us as individuals and society as a whole. Despite the prevalence of mental health issues, there is still a lot of stigma and misunderstanding surrounding them. Many people are hesitant to seek help or even talk about their struggles. This can be due to fear of judgment, lack of access to resources, or simply not understanding the signs and symptoms of a mental health condition. It's important to understand that mental health conditions are not a sign of weakness or something to be ashamed of. They are real medical conditions that require professional treatment. There is a wide range of mental health conditions, each with its own set of symptoms and treatment options. Some of the most common include depression, anxiety, PTSD, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. It's important to be aware of the signs and symptoms of these conditions and understand that they are real medical conditions that require professional treatment. Many different types of treatment are available, including therapy, medication, and self-help practices. Therapy may include talk therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), dialectical behavior therapy (DBT), eye movement desensitization and reprocessing (EMDR), and others. Medications such as antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications can also be effective in treating mental health conditions. But it's important to work with a professional to find the right treatment plan for you. Along with therapy and medication, it's also important to practice self-care, such as eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. It is important to remember that mental health cannot be ignored or pushed aside. We need to take care of our mental well-being just like we take care of our physical condition. Don't be afraid to talk to a friend, family member, or professional. Let's work together to break the stigma and create a more understanding and supportive society. There are many resources available for those struggling with mental health conditions. Support groups can provide a sense of community and understanding, while online resources can provide valuable information and tips for managing mental health conditions. Additionally, it's important to note that there are mental health professionals available in your local area who can provide diagnosis and treatment. And remember, mental health conditions are treatable and recovery is possible. Post a comment if you have any of these problems, or if you've been through it yourself, or if you've solved it. Maybe your comment will help someone, or maybe you will find it answers to your question.